What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Mr. Wolf from the bad guys. Let's start today's drawing in the center of our page and draw two lines across the top of the eyelids. So we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left side. We're going to go straight across toward the left. Let's line this up over on the right side and do the same thing, drawing the same length line. Now I want to connect the outside to the inside of that line with a curve coming down across the bottom of the eye, almost like a half circle, and then bend that back up. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So along the top left, we'll draw a small half circle coming down and up. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. In between the eyes, we're going to add a small fold going up and then down across the bridge of the nose. Step all the way down and draw a larger curve going up and then down. Now I want to connect the ends by curving the nose, coming down and in towards the center, and then back up on the right. Now we're going to give our character a large smile. So we're going to start all the way over on the left side, curves down, across the middle, and then back up. And then on the ends, we're going to draw a small bracket. Now the eyebrows are going to help us give the character some expression. So from the inside corner of the left eye, let's step up, angle this up and out. And then on the end, we're just going to bend that down. Let's move over towards the right. We're going to raise this up higher. So we're going to go up, angle this up and out, and then bend that down. Let's add some thickness to the eyebrows. Starting from the end, we're going to go thicker across the top, and then taper that down towards the inside. And then do the same thing on the right, going up, and then tapering that down. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the fur across the cheeks. From the top corner of the eye, we're going to step out, bend this down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Now I just want to taper that down and then in toward the side of the head. Let's add another point, coming down and out with a short line. Come down and then in. Let's close off the bottom of the head. So we're going to step out to create a fold. Come down across the chin, just underneath the mouth, go across and then tuck that in underneath. Now I want to add that patch going around the mouth. So we're going to start from the left side of the chin, bend this out around the corner of the mouth, come down and in towards the mouth, add a thin trim across the top, and go around the right side. Let's close off the top of the head. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to bend this up and in. Pull this in towards the middle. Now we're going to add some fur. Curving this up. And then bend that back down. Let's add a smaller point. Bending this up and out. And then down. Now let's close off the right side of the head, going around the eyebrow. And then down. Now I'm going to place the ears on top of the head. Let's step over toward the left side. Start by bending this up, and then out, and line it up on the right, towards the same height. Now I'm going to curve the ears, going out, down, and then in towards the side of the head. Let's add that fold across the inside of the ear, starting from the tip, bend this in, and then down. And then along the bottom, we're going to add 2 points on either side, going up and then down. Add a smaller one on the end. Now I'm going to go back and fill the inside of the nose in black. Now that we completed the head, let's move down and draw the inside of the jacket. We leave a gap in the center. Start over on the left side, draw a straight line coming down towards the hip. Move over towards the right and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Now I want to bend the bottom of the jacket going out and then up. let's bend the side, coming in and then up towards the top. From the outside, draw 2 straight lines going across the bottom half of the collar. Angle this down and then in towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top, angle this up and out towards the top half of the collar, and looks up and in underneath the head. Now from these 2 points, I want to step up and add a curve, coming down and up, step up and draw that again for the top of the belt, and then in the center, draw 2 lines for the buckle. From the top of the jacket, draw a V, coming down and then up. From that center point, draw a straight line coming down. Now from the V, we're going to bend the collar coming down. So from the side, angle this down and out. And then along this line on the right, we're going to add 3 small circles for the buttons. Let's go back to the buckle, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. And then I'm going to leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and up towards the outside. Now I want to draw the top of the foot, so starting from the outside, we're going to go up. You want to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, almost like a half circle, and just curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now from the bottom corner of the jacket, we're going to step in, draw the outside leg. I want to bend this out and then down on top of the feet. And we're also going to add a thick sole across the bottom of the shoe. So taking this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now I want to move halfway between the chin and the bottom of the jacket. So right here, we're going to curve the arm, going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a small bracket. Now I want to curl 3 fingers around on either side. So we're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, going down and up around that bracket. Go to the side, bend this out and up towards the second finger. Now the third finger, we're just going to blend this into the arm, going up and then in towards the shoulder to right about there. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. From the top of the arm, we're going to bend the shoulders, coming in and then up underneath the head. Let's separate the cuff, starting from the top of the thumb, bend this up and then out. Step up and draw that again. And then do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to add the tail in behind the body, going out towards the right. So we're going to start from the hip, bend this down around the hand, and then up. Come down and then in. And create a fold and tuck the tail in between the legs and up. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mr. Wolf from the Bad Guys. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.